What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. Wanted to give you a update. This is stage 18 of the container conversion of the HogOn Cafe. Been out here doing some painting, some touch-up work. Had some issues with that gun that I bought. Just learning how to use it. I'm not a painter. I can paint, but I'm not a painter. You know what I mean? But this project, I actually had to do everything myself. Like when it comes to small stuff, no big deal. But I'm not a painter, but I think I did pretty good. I ain't gonna lie to you. I really feel I did good for what I got. I tried to actually hire a couple people, but it's crazy when you're trying to build your independence, man. Sometimes you just got to do your first one yourself. You know what I mean? Because you just have to show people by example. Sometimes it's better to show them than just talk about it. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna lead by example. I'm gonna get my hog on regardless. Hog on.